Yeah, my name is Murthy Naidu and I head for products with Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company and based out of Pune. We are very excited to be part of this Petex, and I'm very happy to see so many ecosystem players along with the pet parents and the pet lovers actually. And this is the first major event we have been participating thanks to Hitex Hyderabad, and it's a great event, and I've seen great participation both from the pet parents and also the ecosystem players. So we're having a great time, and the enthusiasm with which, in fact, most of the people are surprised to have an insurance, participation in this Petex, and we have been, coming across with a lot of, enthusiasm, and it's quite exciting actually. Yesterday and today, the pet insurance we have launched about 2 years back, and it is the most comprehensive, health insurance policy for pet in the entire industry. And the idea was that when we see the ecosystem play in the pet space, when we meet the pet parents, in fact, sometimes we get a feeling that they love the pets more than even their own, son and daughter. That's the kind of love and affection what they, express. Then we realized that when it comes to the human insurance, there is a lot of difference between when we compare a population which is insured and a population which is uninsured. And the length of life actually of the population which is insured is 10-15 years more than the population which is not insured. When we saw the pet ecosystem, we felt the requirement is same. So if a pet parent has insurance, he will be in a better position to take care of the much loved, pet, dog or cat, whatever. And in the process, it also gives a better, longevity to the pet and the better facilities instead of postponing things and, compromising on the treatments. So we thought pets also deserves the same amount of, the level of engagement and the facilities and the insurance like the normal human beings. So if you see our products which is currently available, and the product, we are now coming out with a new product which will get launched in the next 10-15 days. And you will find that is more or less like a human health insurance policy. It covers literally everything, whether it is accidental hospitalization, whether it is illness, whether it is disease, or even for that matter, third-party liability. If the dog bites somebody or scratches somebody, consequently, if there's any liability, it covers that also. Sometimes actually, we also come across dogs which are, missing, which are straying. It covers that also. It's a very comprehensive policy, and we will be launching it very soon. And in fact, when I have these conversations, with the different players within the Petex also, I think everybody is quite excited, and we are more excited. The approximate, I would say, the pet dog population in India is roughly about 4 lakh. That is the population. Sorry, it is 4 crores. So it is the population. And currently, if you see in advanced countries like Europe, the pet insurance penetration is as high as 30-35%. That is the most advanced markets. And it ranges. In India, if you see, the pet insurance has just started actually. In fact, I would say 2 years back, the product we introduced is the most comprehensive policy. And we sold about 15,000 plus policies in the last 1.5 years. And if you see, the traction is building up and awareness is building up. And we expect, right now, we are at ground zero, but very soon we should be seeing at least a 4-5% penetration. On our website, it can be bought. The policy can be bought fully on a digital mode, and you can buy it on our website, and you can reach our call center also. We have in certain of our partners, we have a QR-based selling also. You can scan the QR code, and that will direct you to the buying journey. So otherwise, people can reach. In fact, we have a lot of partners also. Our intermediaries, in terms of the broking community, in terms of the agent community also, this product can be bought. It is available across all our distribution channel. Since I said that, we have insured about, around 15,000 pets, we have, definitely, claims also coming out of it. And till now, we do not have any cashless settlement like what we have for the human, health insurance. We are now doing it on a reimbursement basis. Very soon, the process has already started. We started onboarding now the veterinary clinics and veterinary hospitals for cashless settlement. Very soon we'll be launching and giving the facility of cashless settlement also, so that the pet parent need not invest money from his pocket, and you can take the dog, get treated, and move forward. Actually, manaki premium దగ్గరికి వచ్చేటప్పటికి the premium, it's not very costly, Andy. The premium starts as low as 400 rupees, depending upon the age of the breed, depending upon the gender, and depending upon the sum insured money, how much sum insured we want to take. it can vary from 4 to 500 to 4,000 to 5,000 per year, and it covers, it is a modular policy. You can select like, hospitalization or surgeries or third party liability, and including straying, missing. So you can actually make a choice of, within the modular covers that are available, but the product is available for as low as 400 rupees. And the tenure of the policy is 1 year. I'm sure, this is quite affordable for the pet parents, and it can really be, coming to good use, when something, happens to the loved, pets. The average life period of the pets normally is assumed to be 10 years. But of course, there are a lot of pets which actually, go up to beyond 10 years also. But normal age, we take it as 10 years. And the minimum age for entry is 3 years. When we start giving the policy, and depending upon the breed, that is, there are some small breeds, medium breed, giant breeds, the expiry period accordingly changes. Like for small breeds, it can be 10 years. For giant breeds, it can be 6 to 7 years. It changes according to the breed actually. Otherwise, they are all annual policies, and premium starts with 400 rupees.